Alhamdulillah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So finally I found my speaker. So harap ni hari ni voice clear. Okay, what I'm going to do today is that kita belajar color sorting. Okay, so this color sorting, kalau kita ada fancy color macam ni, kita boleh lah ajar anak kita macam tu, ataupun waktu dia baru-baru nak berkenalan ataupun kita nak memperkenalkan rainbow kepada anak-anak murid ataupun anak kita, we can just start using this. Alright, so I have got my rainbow printed. I got this photo online, so it's a search engine result. And what I did was, during the printing part, I choose the print to be full size. So saya dapat rainbow size yang besar, and I actually pasted it on a Milo cereal box. So kenapa? Sebab dia tak terlalu keras untuk kita poke dia nanti. So what I'm going to do today, these are all the things that you will be needing during for this project. First of all, like I said, cereal box, and then printed material that is colorful. I choose rainbow because there's a few colors that we can let our children practice with, and at the same time we can also introduce rainbow and its colors to our children. Okay, so I've chose rainbow for this project today. And then we have scissors, we have color pen, marker pen, or what do you call, magic pen. Okay, I call it color pen, magic pen. Then we'll be needing a box or less than that of apa tu kita panggil cotton buds, and then we will need to cut them into half later on, or I can show you an option later, a nail to poke holes, and watercolor. Okay, this is just an option. I have used color pen for this project, and the things that we have to do. Okay, let's just begin. Alright, so first of all, we cut our cotton buds into half, like this one was one, and then I cut into half, and you got this size. Okay, it's just enough for your children to hold. Okay, some options that you can use is if you want to make things bold and standing later, you can just cut at the end of one side of the bud, and you had a longer one. So it's up to you, but I prefer this size. Okay, alright, so you won't be needing a lot of cotton buds. I have decided that for every rainbow, I will just need a dozen holes. So a dozen means 12, so each color will have to be poked with 12 holes later. Alright, so I plan to use watercolor in the very beginning, but somehow my idea came out that I wanted to use this. Okay, so if you're using watercolor, what you have to do is just to dip it. Okay, just put some water and dip it. Alright, make sure it's wet, because I'm not using this and I did not plan to use it. I was just trying to show you the option that you have. So that's what you do. The thing is not to put water into this, sebab nanti susah nak handle. A better option is for you to dip the clean ones into water. When this is soaked and wet, you just have to roll it inside the watercolor and let the cotton bud absorb the color, so it is easier for you to handle. And make sure you dry it off before you start using it, in order to avoid from your rainbows to get smudged when it is wet. Okay, so I have some of the colors that I've made. Alright, so I choose only the colors that I like to show you today, but there are 7. So for each color I've chose to do a dozen of them. Alright, still not dry, just a bit more. Okay, the trick is for you to actually mix them so that your children will have color choice. Okay, looks nice. Okay, you can keep this one, the white ones, for the clouds, but I think it's a bit of a waste, so I did not want to do the clouds, but you can if you want. Alright, so okay, so what I did, I just used color pen and color it. So the first one, the top I just dab. When it's done, just have to color downwards. Okay, why downwards and not upwards? I'm going to tell you. Okay, this is up, top down. Okay, and this is going to be bottom up. Okay, what happens if you do bottom up? You tend to pick the cotton onto your marker pen. See? Can you see it? Alright, and can you see the difference? So what you do when this problem, that's why you have to do it bottom up, bottom down, sorry, top down, I'm sorry. See, top down is better. Alright, see, alright. Okay, next up is, okay, we're not using this, I'm going to keep them so I make bigger space. Oh, okay, not using this, I'm going to keep this. Side, this one keep. Okay, when you're done, okay. Clear this, and now time to poke. Before you poke, maybe you can try to first adjust the holes that you like to make. So I'm having 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Not the best distribution, but what you can do is you give half and then start doing it. Okay, so we got half, quarter, and in the middle there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so another half, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so another 2 randomly now. Okay, it's quite close. Alright, so one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Alright, done. Okay, so the next step is to poke. I use this white, but actually you can try to see whether it matches or not. What happened was I prepared a smaller nail for this video. It turns out that I missed it, I misplaced it. I do not know where there is. Okay, now you're gonna see why it is better to use a soft box like this. Okay, and just poke this. don't let it go through. Quite tough. And I have a secret weapon, that is Allen keys that I stole from my husband's toolbox. Sorry. So it's easier, you see? It's easier. Actually, it's easier. Not that I thought of. Okay, use this, the smallest one, to let it go through. Make the holes better. Better. Next, just drill it a little bit. You cannot use punch hole because otherwise it's it'll be bigger than the cotton bud. Okay, so we continue with other colors so that you know. Okay, I wonder now whether the pencil would do a better help. Let me try. Not really. Or we have to be, yeah, more mean. Oh my god. Let me just try whether this fits. And yes, okay. So the answer is use pencil. It's easier and faster. It doesn't look so good, okay? I don't like the result. So I better go back to my nail. How about a pen? Yeah, this is 0.2. I'm gonna do it more. Easier. Yeah. Apparently this is my favorite and it's the easiest one and it looks better. Alright, so you just want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, so we've got all. Alright, so the best part is to use a pen, even though you may ruin the tip of your pen. Yeah, I think I just did. It's ruined. Anyway, I don't mind. I'm gonna use it to do everything and say goodbye to your husband's Allen key, say goodbye to the nail, and now it's time for your child to play. Oh, he needs help. Okay, so your child can start playing. Okay, what's the purpose of this activity is for you to gauge whether your child can grip small items and color categorizing activities. Alright, so I hope this benefits you. See you guys. Okay, rainbow box is done. Okay, have fun.